I was talking at that point. I was scared. That's why I'm saying, okay, we can work it out, because that's what I did every single time, because I was scared. And he told me not this time.
Was he upset about anything in particular that you're aware of?
Yes, he found out I had gotten pregnant.
From Jay?
Yes.
Okay. So, is he mentioning that in his discussion, or what?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I mean, not at that time. We had, it was previously before he pulled me into his lab, but, I mean, he knew.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, we'll work it out. Because at that point, I had already had the abortion.
So, are you facing the house or facing away from the house? Tell us your direction.
I'm facing, looking out to the back pasture. I'm on the back porch, but I'm not looking into the house.
Okay. Now, he spins you around and you're in the chair, I take it?
I'm in his lap. He's holding me there.
Okay.
And then he pushed me to the ground.
Okay. As he pushes you to the ground, does he do anything?
After he pushed me to the ground, he was kicking me in the stomach.
Okay. Presuming you were pregnant or something?
Yeah, and I had already told him I had the abortion, and I was screaming at that point.
Okay. Is he making any threats to do any harm to you, any serious bodily harm?
Yeah, I mean, he said not this time. He said I was not getting away.
Okay.
Not this time. I mean, we had been through so many events, but that's not the first time. I mean, he had pulled a gun out me at Publix in Claremont. This was not the first time.
Let's not talk about prior events. Okay? Yeah, I'm sorry. So you're on the ground, and he's kicking you.
In the stomach.
Okay. Is he kicking you hard?
Yes.
Okay.
Very hard.
Is he making any...
Up.
Okay. Is he making any statements of any intent to kill you or anything of that nature?
Yes.
Okay. Is he speaking in such a level that the children could hear this?
Oh, yeah. We both were.
Okay.
I was screaming.
Okay. As he's doing this, and he's not relenting on it, did he have his foot anywhere?
Well, that went on for a few minutes, and then he put his face or his foot on my face,
Okay.
smashing it into the patio, porch,
Okay.
whatever you want to call it.
As he has his foot on your face, is it on the front of your face, the side of your face?
I was facing him. Now I'm curled up facing the house. And it was just like this.
Is he continue to yell?
Hmm?
Is he yelling at you?
Not at that point. Nope.
Okay.
No. We were sitting there, and I could not yell anymore.
We heard
He's
from...
just sitting in the chair as he's smashing my face into the porch.
What's the next thing you recall?
The next thing I see is I can't even say that I've seen her. I more or less heard it, and then I think I seen her.
When you say her, who are you referring to?
Isabel.
Isabel? What's Isabel do?
She had fired a gunshot.
Okay. Now, when Isabel fires this gunshot, do you see where it lodged into Michael or what?
I could not.
Where are you after Isabel fires the gun?
Still on the ground. And Michael.
The next thing you recall?
The next thing I recall is seeing Jereme, and hearing the gunshot at essentially the same time.
Is there much time that goes by between Isabel shooting the gun and Jay taking over, or Jereme?
No. It felt like forever. I remember looking at her.
Had you gotten off the ground?
No. No, I had not. Michael was still sitting in the chair. And
After Jay comes, you hear Jay discharge the firearm. And after Jay discharges the firearm, what do you hear next or observe next?
well, at that point, I started crawling away, but Michael fell forward out of the chair.
Fell forward on the chair?
Out of the chair.
Okay. Was that after Jereme shot or after Isabel shot?
Jereme.
After Jereme makes that shot into Michael, what happens after that?
I got up, we went into the house, we went into Isabel's room, and
But who has the gun at that point?
I don't recall that he had the gun. I don't know.
Okay.
He was the last one with the gun.
Okay. Did you see Isabel carrying it after that?
No. But it wasn't carried into her room where we were having a conversation.
Now, Jereme makes that shot. You get up, you go into the house. Are any statements made by Jereme?
Yes. So he tells me to take the kids, get them out of the house, and he would take care of it. He insinuated that if we said anything, that she would be taken away, and he said that he was not going to take the blame for this.
So what did you do?
I took the kids. I left. That's what I always did. I took the kids and I left.
Where'd you take them?
I took them to school. I wanted to get back home. I did not know what was going to happen after that, but I wanted to get the kids out. And the only place I had to take them was school. It wasn't that far away.
So you take the kids to school, come back to the house. Is Michael there?
No.
Is Jay there?
No. Nope. No. And we had a conversation with Aiden. I remember that. He had obviously heard commotion. And he didn't know what happened. He didn't see it. He was in his room, which was at the further end of the house. And I had just told him, your dad's going away for a long, long time, and insinuated that he was going to jail.